Hi, it's Mark from Valcu. I'm going to show you very quickly how to incorporate your company in Delaware. So here I'm going to click Create Account. It'll take me to the bottom where I'll enter my email address and a password, accept the terms, and hit Submit. This will trigger an email that I need to confirm. Great, it's already in my account. Let's go confirm the account. Okay, now I can incorporate a company. I'm going to hit Incorporate a Company here. First thing I need to do is make sure that the name is available in Delaware. You'll see the links here where I can go search their databases. It's also a good idea to search Valcu's database to see how much the name has actually been used elsewhere. Okay, I'm going to create a company called Mark Technology Labs, Inc. Make sure that you put Inc. or Corp. Or a similar name on the end, which is required in Delaware. You can see here exact names that you can use, but Inc. and Corp. generally work. It's a corporation, it's going to be in Delaware. Let's submit it. Now I just need to add the incorporator. That's going to be you. Okay. And the domicile state, that's where you live. I'm in New York, so I'll add me. Okay. Now we need to add a headquarters address for the company. So I'll do that very quickly. And I need to add a work phone and an email address. And then I'll submit it. Okay, I also need to add an address for the incorporator. Often it's the same, so we've pre-populated it. And you can go through it, just confirm that, or change it if it is not in fact the same. So let's add that contact. Now I just need to confirm the number. That'll be sent to my phone, which should arrive shortly. It's already arrived, so let's enter that. 92100 in my case, so I'll submit it. Okay, the email address has already been verified as well because that's the one that I used to sign up. Okay, let's go to the next step. Okay, now I can change the par value if I'd like, or I can just leave it the same. The authorized number of shares. I also decide here whether I want to order a certified copy of the charter or a good standing certificate or both. Generally, they're required to set up bank accounts and to qualify to do business in the state. So it's a good idea to order them. Go to the next step. Here I select the registered agent who will provide the registered office in Delaware. You can select from among here. I'm just going to choose the first one. You might want to choose another if you have an existing relationship. Okay, let's go to the next step. Now I just need to draw my signature. And if I don't like it, I can clear and start over. I need to type my name as well. Add the signature. This will take me onto a screen where I can review the documents. There's a red line where I can see where the information has been entered into it. Or I can just look at the text view. I can also see the data. And I can see the signature. There's an overview of the transaction and information about the incorporator. If I'm okay with this, and I am here, I'll confirm that it's correct and go to the next step. In the next step, I'll add the payment. And if you have a promotion code, you would do that here as well. Here's a breakdown of the charges that mostly Delaware charges. And then you'll add your payment here. Now that I've added payment, I'm on the confirmation screen. Again, I'll get the information and I can review it again to make sure that it looks okay. Now, if I am okay with it, then I'm going to click Send. This will then transmit the charter to Delaware where it will be filed. It'll transmit the information to the registered agents. Once that information is received back, it takes about a week. That will be uploaded to the site and will be available. Here you can see the documents are being sent and generated right now. As soon as they're done, they'll be available for download as well. Okay, now the transmission's been complete. You'll see the documents over here. You can, again, view them. Red line data, signatures, instructions on what you should do with the document. And you can also download it, the signed copy right there, or you can download the Word copy as well right there. Next step is to do the post-incorporation setup and or to qualify in the state where you're doing business. Hope this is helpful.